What a funnel is basically a multi-step online process that somebody goes through. It might not just be a simple ebook or PDF download that we refer in the past to as a lead magnet. It might now be some sort of quiz that you're asking them to do that scores them based on their answers. A third popular way of capturing leads is to invite somebody into your world to take a mini course that is then available to them when they leave their details. Why we call this a funnel or a digital funnel is because the software will not only have that first page that somebody comes to where you're presenting that opt-in offer to them, but it will also have a thank you page on it. And it will also have perhaps some sort of bump type page where you can encourage them to buy, say, an entry offer or some time with you or some sort of digital asset that you're encouraging them to purchase from you.